All right, there we go. We are here. We're talking about the Cartesian coordinate system. You know it as just like the coordinate plane. Okay. You have talked about this, learned about this for a while now, and we're just going to talk briefly about it today. All right. First of all, let's talk about the quadrants. Okay. We know what x is positive going to the right, and that x is negative going to the left, and then y is positive going up, and y is negative going down. Okay, this is our x-axis here, y-axis. Something that, and the point at the center is called our origin. That's 0, 0. Something I want to talk about is our quadrants. Our quadrants go quadrant 1 is in the upper right-hand corner, all right, that you can see. So this is quadrant 1 here, quadrant 2, 3, and 4. Now, oftentimes you'll see those quadrants labeled with Roman numerals like this. All right, I'm going to allow you to use just numbers sometimes. That's totally fine with me. Okay, so for each point, you want to state the ordered pair and the quadrant or axis that it is located. So for point A, all right, I want to identify the xy coordinate here. Okay, so if I look at coordinate A, I'm going over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so -5 to the left. So my x value is -5, and my y value go up 2 to get 2. What quadrant is it in? Well, it's in this is quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are in Q2. If you want to write the actual number 2, that I'll let you do that for now. Let's talk about B. Where's point B? Point B is here at 0. All right, so I didn't go left and right anymore at all, so I call that 0, which you should know, or which you may know or remember, and then down to 4 to make that -4. And where is it located in the quadrant? No, it is not. It is located on an axis. Notice this is the y, so that's located on the y-axis. All right, here we go. We're on to point C now. All right, point C. I'm not moving up and down. Actually, I'm not moving up and down, which makes my y 0, but I'm going 5 to the right, so I'm at 5, 0. And I'm not located in a quadrant. I'm located on the x-axis. Okay? Wow. So fun. Here we go. So for these next ones, it may be hard for you to plot this if you have just notebook paper. If you have notebook paper, don't worry about it. Just look at where it would be. Like I would say, all right, point A, where is A? A is okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. A is right here. So obviously I can write this down, okay? I can label that A. If you don't have, if you're using notebook paper, you want to draw one yourself, that's fine. But then we want to recognize the quadrant. It's in quadrant 1. Okay. Next one, 5, 1.7. So I go over to 5 and about 1.7. That's about right here. That's point B, and that's also in quadrant 1. 2, -4 down here. That's point C, and that's in quadrant 4. Remember, I always like to label these, and I forgot to. Shame on me. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. -2.5, so -2.5, comma -4 is going to be down there. Remember, x always comes first. X, comma y. This is point D, and that's in quadrant 3. 0, 1. 0 for my x, so I don't move left and right at all, but I go up 1 here. So I'm here. Wow, and that's on the y-axis. Well, process of elimination would tell me that the next one is going to be on the x-axis. And this was E, and this is F, and this is on the x-axis. All right. Let's see if I want to do this. Yeah, let's do it. Here we go. If I would graph So on Facebook, remember these are called scatter plots, right? When we examine data, all right, we're gonna go more into this, but this is a brief introduction to it. When we examine data, we plot all these points from that data, all right, and it's called a scatter plot. All right, it shows the amount of time spent and how it is related to GPA. All right, this is the amount of time spent on Facebook. Based on this information, what can we include? Well, if you look at this, actually, you know what? We're going to pause. I want to have a class discussion about this. So I'm going to talk. I'm going to stop talking. I want you to think about the answer to this question. All right. What can we conclude based on this? Okay. Based on this information here. All right. So think about that. Write something down for me. All right. And then I'll ask you to throw it in the chat when we get back to class. All right.